Good day everyone. Welcome to the walkthrough presentation of our website, Leo Erebe Apparel. Today, we will guide you through both the front end and back end. But first, let's start with front end and later CJS will do it. First, this is the homepage of our website. The first page users see when they visit our website. The homepage is designed with a clean and modern interface to make browsing easy and visually appealing for customers. So, navigation bars. At the top, we have the navigation bars. This is the home, shop, about, contact. And we also have a cart page dedicated for final transactions. So let's proceed to shop page, which is product section. Each product contains images, product names, prices, and descriptions to provide complete information to customers. This section helps customers choose products more conveniently before making purchases. So let's proceed to about section. The About section introduces the background and purpose of our clothing brand. This helps customers understand our business and identity and build trust with our audience. So next is the contact section, which is a contact page. Customers can send inquiries, feedback, or concerns to this section, making communication easier between the business and users. And let's end it and proceed to the backend with CJS.
So, let's proceed to our backend. First is, punta po tayo dito sa shop, syempre. Tapos, mag-check out, mag-add to cart tayo ng item na i-check out natin. Natin, select ng color, ng size. Tapos lalabas to, ibig sabihin na sa cart na siya. Pili pa tayo ng iba. Sa cart na siya. Lumabas yung added. Kung tayo ng cart natin, dito makikita natin yung mga in-cart natin. So ngayon, proceed tayo sa checkout. Pag tinik yung checkout, lalabas tong fill up form. Kumbaga, ito yung magiging way para ma-record yung information nyo sa back na try natin yung fill up. Cart pa pala. May try-cut siya, lalo na this number, di siya na pag-type ng letters, number lang, tsaka Philippine number dapat siya. Pag lumagpas siya, may try-cut siya na lalabas na ganito. Yan, kailangan exactly 9. Yan, okay na. Random message. Pag place order nyo, dapat may lalabas na ganito. Pagtapos nun, punta na tayo dito sa MongoDB. Ito kasi yung ginamit naming for backend. Itong MongoDB, Atlas. So ngayon, nire-refresh lang natin siya. Hanapin natin yung bagong data na nire-restore natin, which is itong Mark Mabalad. So, nakita naman natin, may tatlo siyang product na chinek out, tapos pending pa yung ano niya. Yan yung data niya. So, pag pumunta naman tayo sa aming admin, tayo sa orders, refresh, makikita na po siya dito. Dito po, pwede siyang i-edit. Kunwari po, yung pending, i-ship na po. I-ship nyo na po. Save changes. Ship na siya. So, kailangan dito din dapat magbabago. Tingnan natin. So, ayan na po. Nagbago po siya. Use ito. Yung mark mapalad. So, sa for products naman po, ito po yung laman ng mga products. Pwede ka po mag-update dyan kung ilang stock na lang. Nababawasan din po yan kapag nag-checkout ka. Ito po yung products namin sa admin, ay sa may dashboard. Ito po mag-edit. So, save changes. Yun lang po for our back end. Thank you so much.